I am excited to share with you my business plans for the future. I am planning to start business focused on buying and selling plastic. In the next couple of years, I will have established strong relationships with plastic manufacturers and suppliers. By then, I will have built a solid network of reliable contacts that will allow me to secure high quality plastic at competitive price. Starting in the next few months, I will be working closely with my suppliers to ensure I'm consistently stocked with different types of plastics materials. I will be focusing on staying updated on the last trends in plastic recycling and innovation which will help me stay competitive. By the time we reach the third year of operation, I will have expanded my customer base significantly. I will have reached key industries like packaging, constructions, and manufacturing, and by then I will have positioned my company as one of the leading distributors of plastic materials in the region. In the meantime, I will be hiring a dedicated team to help manage operation, logistics, and customer service. I will be focusing on creating a great work environment to ensure the team is motivated and efficient. In conclusion, I believe this business will not only be successful, but will also contribute positively to the environment through sustainable practices. By the time this business grows to its full potential, I will have made a lasting impact in the plastic supply industry. I'm really looking forward to the journey ahead.